Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia's Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today we are on day 21, exercise number 28, which we start with that third going into the scale up and then coming back down again.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
Now what I really want you to focus on this exercise is that tuning from the upper third down is absolutely precise and that you stay in a really balanced registration. So right here, Marchesi has us beginning on an E4 to a C4. So if you feel that interval, you can clunk into chest voice or you can guide it. Keeping those big structures away from each other. So when you find the placement of that, now you've got your pathway. So we can do you feel that? So that's that. That first interval is very important that you play around with. Let's try another one. Especially because we're beginning in that lower passaggio. Really check that you have that and that you're not going, You hear how that all of a sudden the resonance changes. Or you do, Now you're breathy. You don't want that, right? This does not move at all. Check, make sure. Okay, double check. Good, nice and smooth is the name of the game, okay? So if you want to play with the speed, make sure that you practice getting that third. Then you can start to go faster. Okay, so that's the trick to that one. Give that a try and let me know how that works for you, and I'll see you tomorrow.